Hi guys, just been up in the loft, tidying up a bit, putting some stuff away. Trouble is, every time I go up there I find something and bring it back down again. So what we have here, go-go car. It's one of those line followers. Guy with a pen drawing a line. I think it works. I'll put a link in the video description to the original video if I can find it. Yeah. Comes with its own little track and a pen. So we need a battery. Where are we? Cool, that's a very small screw. Did we leave a battery in there? We did. Naughty Grandad. That's not going to be any good, I wouldn't think. Lucky it hasn't all leaked everywhere. Right, I'll find a fresh one. Nothing happening. It looks like it's leaked. Right. We might have to take it apart and check inside, see if there's been any damage. Oh, because I haven't checked that's a good battery. I just grabbed it out of the pile that I have. Not a very good battery. In fact, or is that dragging the voltage down? No, something dragging the voltage down. That's not bad. It's not absolutely fresh, but that's not bad. There's muck in there. No, I'm going to have to take it apart. I'll get something to wipe the muck out the way. Because I don't know if it was working before I put it away. I'd have to go back and check the original video. It doesn't want to come out. Get a bit of assistance. There we go. Oh, we've got lights. Didn't notice that. Two motors to drive it in, steer it. Drive the back wheels independently. A lot of bodgy wiring there, as if I've resoldered it at some time. That looks particularly corroded just there. Right, if I do that, we do get a light coming on. So that tends to mean to me that the switch is faulty. Simple as that. Motor's still not running though. Light, oh, there we are. The light's just flickering a little bit as I'm cleaning the switch by operating it. Still not going though. I vaguely remember shining a light in there to trigger it, because the way it works is it shines a light down that's reflected back by the black or the white surface, well, reflected back by the white, not by the black, and that operates one motor or the other motor to make it turn the right way. And I think those LEDs also come on to indicate which side is supposed to be driving. Yeah, not a very good way of showing things, but you can see the LEDs are swapping over. Sorry about the flickery light. I'll go and see if I've got a little torch we can use instead. Yeah, that's not bright enough. Oh, just about. There we go. But either way, it's still not driving the back wheels. I'm going to go and look at the original video because I got a sneaking suspicion it didn't work, which might be why it was hidden away. It certainly looks very corroded all around here. Don't know if you can see. It's all discoloured. Yeah. I'm going to go and watch the original video. I suspect this one never worked. Right, I just watched my original video and I did sort of get it working in the end. Not properly, but I doubled the battery so we had twice as much power. And I could get it to actually make the wheels turn by covering over one side or the other to demonstrate that that's what drives the motors. But I'd actually decided I needed to replace one of the motors. One of them was faulty. And even then, that was making it go with 3 volts instead of 1.5 volts. So I don't think we're going to get it running today. So there'll be a link in the video description to the original video. I think that's the easiest way to put it, so you can see what I did then. Whether I decide to do any more work to this or not, I don't know. I'll do a close-up so you can see how corroded it looks. Like the actual tracks are corroded on the circuit board. Oh, and it was in a mess originally. The original battery was completely corroded. And I think what the liquidy stuff is here is I sprayed it with some of that stuff that's supposed to get rid of corrosion. And that. Yeah, okay, I'm going to stop there. And you can check out the original video. I'll put a link in the description and a link on up on the screen here somewhere as well. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.